hits the bowler very hard by Babar Azam, who's really got his eye on by now. That one races up to the straight boundary. Langer in again. Another short ball. Oh, it's pulled off a glove, I think, for 4.
Miss to Babar Azam. He's in and bowls, and Azam cuts that hard down to wide third man. The fielder down there. Fielding. Good piece of fielding. They'll come back for the second run.
Callum Taylor, interesting.
Callum Taylor
having one of their fast 9 for 5.
Is Salter down the leg side and helped on its way. I think that came off a part of the bat. It's gone for 4 in any case, and for 26 in 3 overs so far. He's in bowls, and this is hammered away. Nice shot, beautiful shot by Babar Azam. Just gave himself a little bit of room. And Salter bowls down the pitch, hitting it hard and high. It's over the top for 6. Oh, I thought Long On was in business there for a moment, and I think Long On thought he was in business as well. But
Sodia bowls to Babar, who cuts and will get runs here. He'll get 4 runs. Just a little late dab, and the ball shoots down to the third man. 14 for 3. Sisodia bowled straight, driven hard. 4 runs, bang. First bounce, Babar moving up through the autumn evening here at Sapphire Gardens, as that's clipped up into the leg side by Goldsworthy, by Babar, and they'll comfortably come back for the second run there.
Here comes Smith then to Babar Azam, and he hammers this one back down the ground for 6 runs. You probably heard it go crash into the...
Poor Babar at this rate. De Langer is in to bowl. That's dispatched over backward square for 6.
T1. Babar Azam. Smith is in and bowls to him. Hammers that through the offside. Beautiful shot. Plenty of width, mind you, from the bowler. He hammers this into the offside. They're going to come back for... It's going to go for 4. That's Babar Azam's century. 101 for Babar Azam. A tremendous innings on a tricky pitch here at Sapphire Gardens. He takes off his helmet and raises his bat, acknowledges the cheers of his team. He's in and bowls to Babar Azam, who lofts that away. That should be caught, or no, it's not. He's gone for 6. I didn't think he got hold of that at all.
बैटिंग करते हैं, लेकिन मेरा डिफरेंट स्टाइल है और मैं थोड़ा सा टाइम लेके खेलता हूँ, और मेरा वैसी गेम नहीं है कि मैं जाके यूटिलाइज करूँ. मेरा स्ट्राइक रेट 100 और 80 के 90 के इन बिटवीन होता है, तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि पूरे ओवर खेलूँ. इस शर्ट का ये जो सितारा है, इसका ये जो प्राउड फील करता हूँ इसको पहन के, और इसका जो एक कहते हैं मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता. जो मेरा ड्रीम था वो पूरा हुआ, और जो बचपन से जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था जिस चीज़ के लिए, उस चीज़ को मैंने आज पहना हुआ है, तो काफ़ी प्राउड फील करता हूँ. यंगस्टर के लिए यही है कि मेहनत जितनी है करें, और जितना आप ग्राउंड को टाइम देंगे उतना वो आपको बाद में आपको टाइम देगी. तो ये है कि हार्ड वर्क हर दिन रोज़ाना करना चाहिए.